Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is Nutan Kumar, and I hope everyone doing great. So in today's video I come up with one exciting opportunity for those who are pursuing engineering or those who have completed engineering can apply for this internship program. So before going in detail, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications regarding government jobs, private jobs, internships, and free courses and many more. So if you don't want to miss out any of these updates, make sure you subscribe. So now let's get started with today's video, guys. So Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Science organizing a short-term computer science internship program called a CSIP. So now let's quickly get into the roles and responsibilities. The selected interns will mainly be engaged in software development and data management tasks which are useful to the institute. And you need to apply your computer, technical, analytical skills, communication, problem solving skills, critical thinking skills in their works at ARIES. You'll be given exposure to the R&D facilities like astronomy, astrophysics, atmospheric sciences, and engineering of the institute. And your work is to find solutions to complex challenges, design and write programs, test hardware components, tools and software tools, analyze and displaying the data, and they will provide access to the various short-term online courses on open source software like C, C++, Java, Python, Django, Flask, R programming, PHP, MySQL, Linux, Bash, and have many more. So presently the projects available for the interns are typically in the areas of software development, data archival and management, big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, high performance computing, information retrieval and visualization, data center management, architectural systems, and knowledge and data representation, distillation and sharing, database crawling, and everything. So educational qualifications: bona fide students of any recognized university or institutions within India can apply for this, and undergraduate engineering students can also apply if having completed or appeared in 6 semesters of BA or BTech can apply, and engineering graduates waiting for admission for higher studies and completed or pursuing master's, postgraduate research program, anyone can apply, and master's degree in sciences and or engineering, MSc, MTech, MCA candidates can apply for this. And now let's quickly check with the skills. You should have strong object-oriented design and coding skills like Python or Java, C++, or C#. Should have sound knowledge on Unix or Linux platform, sound understanding of areas such as algorithms, data structures, OOPS concepts, databases, clusters, parallel programming, a fundamental knowledge of embedded processor with in-depth knowledge of real-time operating system concepts. And these are some of the skills. Please go through this. And the period of internship shall be at least 20 weeks but not exceeding 6 months. The internship is it is only temporary. It is not a permanent role, and the selected intern shall be paid a stipend of 10,000 per month if no accommodation is provided. Otherwise, they will be paid 5,000 per month if hostel is provided. And you will be getting experience certificate after completion of this internship from government recognized, and interested applicants will have to apply online mode only. Deadline of application will be on 31st December 2020, and start of internship will be on 1st February 2021. And the screened candidates will be called for online interview in which they will be screened for communication, interpersonal and work related technical skills. And that's it, nothing else. So if you are interested, please do apply and don't miss out this opportunity. So links are in description box, please do check it out. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and please do share with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.